When we celebrate the Sabbats, we aren't just following tradition, we're stepping into a rhythm that ties us to the cycles of the earth and the turning of the wheel of the year. But sometimes the hardest part is knowing where to start when crafting your own ritual. Let's walk through the process together. 1. Begin with intention. Every ritual should have a heartbeat. Ask yourself, what is the theme of this Sabbat? For example, Samhain might be about honoring ancestors and endings, while Beltane might focus on fertility, passion, and growth. Let your intention be the guiding star. 2. Create sacred space. This can be as elaborate or as simple as you want. Some people cast a circle, some simply light a candle and speak words of welcome. The point is to mark the boundary between everyday life and sacred time. Think of it like opening a doorway. 3. Call in the elements, or guides. Many practitioners like to invite the 4 elements, their deities or their ancestors. You don't need complex invocations. Sometimes a few heartfelt words to air, fire, water and earth is all it takes to weave energy into the space. 4. Build the core of the ritual. This is where your intention lives. It might look like lighting a fire at Yule to symbolize the returning sun, planting seeds at Ostara as a blessing for new beginnings, sharing food and drink at Lammas to honor the first harvest. The act should mirror the energy of the Sabbat, connecting you physically to the season. 5. Include reflection and offering. Take a moment of silence, journaling, or meditation to ground the experience. Then, make an offering. It could be pouring out a little drink, leaving bread for the birds, or simply giving gratitude. This closes the energetic exchange with respect. 6. Close the space. Thank any guides or elements you invited in. Extinguish candles, take down the circle if you cast one, and speak words that affirm the ritual is complete. This is how you gently step back across the threshold into ordinary life. 7. Carry it forward. A ritual doesn't end when the candles go out. Ask yourself, what small action can I take after this to honor the energy of the Sabbat? Maybe it's donating food, starting a new project, or spending time in nature. This bridges ritual with real life. Final thoughts. Creating Sabbat rituals isn't about perfection, it's about connection. When you craft with intention, even the simplest act becomes sacred. Whether you're a solitary practitioner or sharing space with a group, the key is making it meaningful for you. That's how you can design a ritual that celebrates the Sabbats in a way that feels alive, personal, and powerful.